Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Volkswagen Touareg. First, open your Touareg's hood and find the positive terminal, typically under a red cover. Connect one end of the positive jumper cable to this terminal. Then, attach the other end of the positive cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. This ensures a safe and correct initial connection for the jumpstart process. Next, take the negative jumper cable and connect it to the negative terminal on the working battery. For your Touareg, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis to attach the other end of the negative cable. It's crucial to avoid connecting this cable directly to the dead battery's negative post to prevent potential sparks and ensure safety during the jump start. Once all cables are securely connected, start the engine of the donor vehicle. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Touareg's battery. After this period, try to start your Volkswagen Touareg. If it doesn't immediately turn over, give it a few more minutes with the donor car running before attempting to start it again. To disconnect safely, first remove the negative cable from your Touareg's ground point. Then, disconnect the negative cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Next, remove the positive cable from the donor vehicle, followed by the positive cable from your Touareg. Finally, drive your Touareg for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. This ensures a complete and safe process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.